students, welcome you all in Sudhir Jaswal Edu Maths. Today we are going to learn the most important topic of mathematics, the profit and loss. So we have heard about this word profit and loss. So where do we get profit? Suppose if we buy a pair of jeans at rupees, suppose this is cost price rupees, suppose this is 1500, okay, and suppose you sell it at rupees 2000. So since you see here the selling price is more than cost price, so here you would get profit definitely. So profit would be when you subtract your selling price by the cost price, you'll get the profit. So the profit would be 2000 rupees minus 1500 equal to 500 rupees, okay. It is your profit. Now if you need to find the profit percent here, profit percent, so that means you are comparing this value rupees 500 with the cost price. You need to find the relation between the cost price and the profit. Here the profit percent would be, so how would you take the relation? In percent profit, first you write profit, then you write the comparing value. You are comparing it with the CP, cost price, into 100%. All right. Now profit percent, profit, what is profit is 500. What is your CP? Is cost price is 1500. When you multiply it by 100, you'll get, cut it, okay, cancel out. So here 3 5 is a 15, no sorry, 5 3 is a 15, and 500 upon 3, 100 upon 3 means it is 33.33, 3 is a 9, okay, percent, approx value 33.33. So this is your profit percent. Here you see it is your profit percent. If you need to find, suppose if you want to find okay, now let's talk about the loss. Okay, when do you get loss? So when you sell, you cost, suppose you bought a pair of jeans at rupees 1500, and due to some defect you bought it at rupees 1500, but due to some defect you need to sell it at rupees 1000. Okay, here what do you see? Here, since your selling price is less than cost price, so here you get loss. So loss would be here CP minus SP. Okay, all right. So CP is 1500 minus 1000 is your SP. So there is a loss of rupees 500. Okay, so rupees 500 is your loss. And if you need to find the loss percent, so here loss percent equal to, again you are comparing the value with the CP, so loss upon CP into 100%. So what is your loss? Again loss is your 500, CP is rupees 1500 and into 100, so cancel out, 5 to 15, same here, same, 100 upon 3 means 33.3%, okay, loss. Now if you want to get another formula here, if you need to get to or use the formula here, SP equal to CP into 100, you know this, I can teach you, give me just 2 seconds. CP equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent, okay, and CP equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Okay, so it is a formula. Suppose you sold a pair of jeans at rupees, suppose it is what was it is 2000 rupee. Okay, and you got a profit of rupees, profit percent is 100 upon 3%. Okay, now if you need to find the cost price, what is the cost price? So you can apply the formula this formula. Okay, so CP equal to SP into 100, SP into 100, I can write it again, upon 100 plus profit percent. So SP, what is SP? At SP is rupees 2000, 200 upon 100 plus, what is the profit percent? 100 upon 3. As we know, we will get the value CP 1500, but we are going to check with this formula. As you know the answer, but check it with this 2000 into 100. When you add this, so 100 3s are 300 plus 100 400 upon 3. Okay, now when you that means solve the fraction, it will be reciprocated, so 3 upon 400 like this, and what will be the value here? 4 5 by 20, 500 into 3, you will get here 1500. This is your value, 1500. All right, so this is your cost price. By the same way you can apply SP, by the same way you can apply here CP equal to SP into 100 if you get the loss. If you have the loss percent and SP, then you can find the value of CP by putting the value of SP and loss percent in this. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood the concept which is related to the profit and loss. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.